All right, these are the tools you're going to need to install the laser. Phillips screwdriver, 2.5 millimeter hex, a 3 millimeter flat bladed driver, 8 millimeter wrench, 4 millimeter hex driver, some cutting pliers for the zip ties that are going to route your cables. You'll need some measuring tools for aligning the mirrors for the rough alignment. So I've got a small ruler and calipers here. And you may, depending on if your chassis is not already provided with this, you'll need to install the safety switch, which is for the door and the key switch.
Come in.
Okay, once you get your wires started through the hole, you want to feed them down into the electronics cavity. So you should have your relay cable, your CAN bus cable, and your power cable down here. But before we tighten these up and install them down here, we want to check the fit of the laser inside the machine in case we have to do some adjustments. So the laser is, oh, that's classy. Once you get the laser in position, and you'll know it's in position if the frame is all the way to the back of the machine. You're going to tighten the 4 screws, and that's going to lock it into place.
Coming.
Also open your side panel for the electronics. And open the rear panel so you can access the mounting screws.